What do we have here? Rivian's electric SUV climbs an insane 45-degree slope like it's nothing.
Yeah.
They're out here showing off. They're in Moab. That's a cool color as well on that Rivian. It like blends in with the rock.
It's like a metallic Mars color.
It's so cool. Wow, look at the approach angle here. Holy cow. Well, that was the hard part, making the angle. And then once it's got the traction, no problemo. Look at this. Four-wheel drive. Ooh, those noises are a little terrifying. Steep climb. I mean, they're showing it to you, Will. They're saying, hey, we're the real deal. This is, we got 4 wheels driving here. This ain't no street-only vehicle. Now just give us $100,000 minimum, please, and thank you.
I mean, there's no situation where I would ever go in this environment.
Are you sure?
Well, it's 45 degrees.
Maybe you're out there camping or...
Oh, yeah. I mean, like, sure, yeah. I'll probably go here. But
nice.
In terms of this kind of steep climb, I don't know.
Our Rivian R1S is climbing a 100% grade or 45-degree slope at Moab. Stock vehicle, 0 modification. Very impressive work by the team. You got a couple of views here on Twitter. Okay, they say it starts at 70,000. You and I both know the one that Willie Doo gets is 100 grand minimum.
Yeah.
It's expected to have 300 miles of range on a single charge, though the range is pending EPA review. I mean, it looks like a real deal SUV to me. I'm very excited for it. I like the look of it. I don't know how it's all going to map out as far as these electric SUV wars are concerned, but the Rivian is starting to look like a complete product.